Hello guys, welcome to the Doubtlet. In this video, we are going to learn how to find the function if derivative of the function is given and the value at a point of that function is also given. So, we will use the derivative and this value to find the value of fx. So, here what we need to do, we can write f dash x as d of fx, means differentiation of fx with respect to x. We can write this fx as this, and this is equal to 2 divided by under root of 1 minus x square. Now, if we will just cross multiply this, so we can write this as d of fx is equal to 2 dx divided by under root of 1 minus x square. And if we will integrate it both sides, so definitely we have to use the integration symbol to the left hand and the right hand side. Now we know that differentiation of x is dx, and we know that the integration of dx is x, means this is the differentiation of x. So here is the differentiation of fx, so integration of d of fx will be fx. So this is fx, and we have to integrate this. So to integrate this, I have written the formula already. So 1 upon under root of 1 minus x square is equal to sine inverse x plus c. So here 2 is the constant, so it will be thrown out. So we can write this as 2 multiply by sine inverse x plus c, where c is the constant of integration. So now to find the value of c, what we will do, we will use this value, that is f of 1 by 2 is equal to 1. So it means when we put x is equal to 1 by 2 in the function fx, then we will get the value of function as 1. So if we will just put x is equal to 1 by 2, so we will get this as f of 1 by 2, so it will become 1 is equal to 2 of sine inverse, this is 1 by 2 plus c. So we know that sine inverse 1 by 2, so here we can write it as, so sine inverse 1 by 2, its value is pi divided by 6, because sine 30 value is 1 by 2. So we can write this as 1 is equal to 2 multiply by pi by 6 plus c. So we can write the value of c as 1 minus pi divided by 3. So if we will replace this value in this function, so we can get the exact function fx. So fx can be written as, this is 2 times sine inverse pi by 3, sine inverse x, not pi by 3, plus c value is 1 minus pi by 3. So this is the value. And if you want to cross check this answer, so what you have to do, you have to just find the differentiation of this function. So it will be 2 divided by under root of 1 minus x square, and if you will put x is equal to 1 by 2 in this, then you will definitely get 1. So because sine inverse 1 by 2 pi by 6 will be multiplied to 2 pi by 3 will be cancelled, so its value will be 1. So answer is cross checked also. This is the answer. So I hope you got the concept what I am trying to deliver. So if you like this video, please hit the like button below, comment on this video, give the feedback so that we can improve upon the quality and the content of the solutions and the questions that we are providing. And please share it with your friends so that they can also learn the basic concepts and give proper feedback. And in the end, if you want to ask any other doubt, then visit my website, that is, link is given below in the description, and you can also ask your doubt by posting them in the comment box below. Thank you very much.